Welcome to the 2020 Thomas & Friends Bracket Tournament. Here are the winners of the first round who made it into the round of 32. All right, let's start the next round. We have Duncan versus Black Cargo Car. Duncan. Next, we have the White Cargo Car versus Spencer's Tender. Ooh, the White Cargo Car. Next, we have the 60-year edition of Percy versus Heroes Tender. Percy. Next, we have Paxton versus Boxcar. Boxcar. This is going to be a good round. Oliver versus Edward. I believe it was Oliver. Next, we have Dodge versus Elizabeth. That might need a photo finish. It was Elizabeth. Next, we have Victor versus the Gold Car. Victor. Next, we have Jack versus Elfie. Ooh, this is going to be a good one. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're going to see a replay on that one. Jack is the winner. All right, we're going to the other side of the bracket. We have the Octopus Car versus the Vintage Thomas. Octopus Car. Next, we have Clarabelle versus Gordon. Ooh, Clarabelle. Next, we have Terrence versus Molly. Ooh, that's a good race. I think it was Molly. We might need a photo finish. It is Molly. Next, we have Diesel 10 versus Mavis. Ooh, I don't know. Diesel 10, we need a photo finish. It is Diesel 10. Dennis versus Billy. Billy. I think he's our favorite. Next, we have Fred versus Scarlouie. Scarlouie. Next, we have the Caboose versus the Rubbish Truck. The Caboose.
Definitely.
Now we have Henrietta versus D199. Henrietta. Now we have it all complete up to the Sweet 16, but let's see who's going to make it into the Elite 8. Here are the finishers over there, ready to compete. First round of the Sweet 16 to get into the Elite 8. Duncan versus the White Cargo Car. 1.
Yeah.
The White Cargo Car.
Actually wins, that would be something.
Next we have the 60th edition Percy versus Boxcar. Percy. It was a close one, but Percy definitely got it. Next we have Oliver versus Elizabeth. Oliver. Next, we have Victor versus Jack. Victor is victorious. All right, we got the first half of the Elite 8. Time to figure out the other half. Next, we have the Octopus Car versus Clarabelle. Molly versus Diesel 10. Diesel 10. We have the crowd favorite Billy versus Scarlouie. Let's see what happens.
Ooh, I think Scarlouie got
Scarlouie.
that. Ended Billy's career just.
What an upset.
Yay!
The last one to get into the Elite 8, we have the Caboose versus Henrietta. Henrietta. All right, we have our Elite 8 complete. Now it's time to see who's going to get into the Final Four. The white cargo car versus the 60th edition Percy. Percy. Next, we have Oliver versus Victor for the second spot of the Final Four. In 3, 2, 1. Victor is again victorious. Next, we have Clarabelle versus Diesel 10 for the third spot of the Final Four. 3, 2, 1.
I think Clarabelle got that.
Clarabelle got that. Do we need a photo finish? Next, we have Scar Louie versus Henrietta for the final spot of the Final Four. Go. Scar Louie. And here's the Final Four. We have Victor, Scar Louie, Clarabelle, and the 60th edition Percy. Let's find out who makes it into the championship. Dun dun dun. The first Final Four matchup, the 60th edition Percy versus Victor. Here we go, big race. 3, 2, 1. I think Percy, let's see the photo finish. All right, the next Final Four to get into the championship, we have Clarabelle versus Scar Louie. All right, here we go to get into the championship. 3, 2, 1. Scar Louie. And here they are, our finalists. In the championship, we have the 60th, or celebrating 60 years of Percy to the left, and Scar Louie to the right. Let the championship begin. 3, 2, 1. Percy! And our winner, we have celebrating 60 years of being Percy and also celebrating the championship. Here he is, our winner, Percy.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Be sure to stay classy and subscribe to our channel.